Okay, so this is a test record. Oh boy, this already sounds bad. And this is just my voice. My voice. Oh, that's strange. All I did was stop one recording and start the other. And the sound is, I can hear it through the headphones. It's something wrong here. Anyway, it's mostly a problem with the music. God, this is terrible. Hold on. Okay, I switched line on back on. I don't know if it's out. I don't think so. Maybe a bit. Okay, I'm going to put some music on. Yeah, it's already cutting out notes. And this is the best example because if there's any kind of a pause in the music, it cuts out and then tries to start back up. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch off line in and switch to HDMI. And this will just be the microphone from the GoPro. Yeah, there's no cutting out. The only thing, no, it's okay. Even my voice seems okay, though I'm not quite sure. Let me just stop the music. Okay, this is sound only through HDMI. Oh, what's going on there? HDMI. Okay, yeah, bit of echo, but that's the microphone on the GoPro. Other than that, there doesn't seem to be any stuttering, and this is what everyone else has reported. I think it's easier to do this without the headphones because it gets really confusing when it's echoing in my ears. Yeah, my experience so far is it's okay if you're going through HDMI, and that's what others have said. USB has way too much of a delay on it, and it's the same thing for the USB out going into a computer. The sound is way behind the video, and that's a real problem because there's no video delay to be adjusted. So, delaying the audio even further makes it worse. So basically, the biggest sound problems with this is you can't use USB because the delay with the video actually being quicker than the sound makes it impossible to adjust. The other thing is that HDMI seems to work, but then you have to use HDMI out to go into a computer rather than USB out, or using it as a webcam, so to speak. And line in and microphone in, no matter what setup, no matter what microphones, etc., it makes no difference. It cuts out constantly, even with speech. I didn't realize it was that bad with speech, actually, because it was mostly music that was the issue. But it's the type of thing you can unplug it and plug it back in, and sometimes voice seems okay, but music doesn't work, and it's just It's unusable. That's for sure. Completely unusable. Anyway, I'm going to switch from HDMI back to line in just 1 second. Okay, so HDMI off. Line in on. Now I'm talking and it seems okay. There's no cutting out right now. But I imagine if we put music on, it's going to be a problem. Yeah, it's terrible. You can see it on the sound monitor. Little green bars, they show the actual breakup. Yeah, it's a real problem. Anyway, I think that's enough of an example. So I'm going to stop recording.